welcome back. Today we're announcing the winners of the giveaway I did a couple of weeks ago, and I'm really excited. I'm really thankful to all of you who participated. I really wish I could give you all a tablet, but I'll try to do more giveaways like this in the future, so please stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna announce the winner in just a minute. Yay! Congratulations! So the winner is, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to capture it on camera here. Fine Essence 808. I'm gonna leave my email down below. Please get in touch with me so I can give you the details. You can give me your address and all of that, and I can send you the prices. I'm really excited about this. I really hope I can do more in the future. So congratulations to the winner. Thank you everyone who participated, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!